Alright guys, today, linear equations and problem solving. So go ahead and hit pause, read through the steps here, because I'm just going to move on to the first example. Alright, it says, you have accepted a job offer at an annual salary of $30,500. This salary includes a year-end bonus of $2,300, so it includes it, so it's already included. You are paid every 2 weeks. What will your gross pay before tax and exemptions for each paycheck? Okay, well, so in words here, you have biweekly pay because it's paid every 2 weeks. There's 26 weeks in a year, or 26. There's 52 weeks in a year, so divide that by 2, you get the 26 plus the bonus equaled 30,500. So we're trying to figure out what our paychecks are. Well, they're X. So you have 26x plus the 2,300 equals 30,500. So subtract that 2,300. So 30,500 minus the 2,300. So you get 26x equals 28,200. Divide by the 26. And you would get x equals $1,084.62. So why did I round to the hundreds? Because pennies. Okay. So, but that's previous to taxes and everything. All right, let's take a look at another example. All right, percent problem. Percent means per 100. So when you are working with a percent problem, you are talking about having parts of 100. Of means multiply, is means equals, what means the unknown. So another way to think about this that I've talked about in previous classes is over of equals percent over 100. So if we do that, we have, it says 15.6 is 26% of what number? So we know the is 15.6. We don't know the of. We know the 26. We know the 100. Cross multiply. You get 26x equals 1560. Divide by 26. You get 60. So x equals 60. Okay. Let's take a look at another one. 25 is what percent of 80? So 25, 80 equals x over 100. Now, I would simplify this right away before I did the multiplying, so it would be 5 over 16 equals x over 100. Cross multiply, you get 16x equals 500. So divide that by the 16, and you would get 31.25. So you get x equals 31.25. So there's some examples right there. Let's look at some more. So this one says 25% of 132 is what number? So that means the is missing. Now, so equation, I would just do this. X over 132 equals 25 over 100. Now this one would be easy, hopefully, to simplify to 1/4, just because you should know 25% is a quarter. So if we cross multiply here, you get 4x equals the 132. Divide by the 4, and you get x equals 33. Okay. So now let's get into some word problems where we'll see these. So it says approximately 15% of the students enrolled at Penn State in the fall of 2002 were freshmen. The total enrollment for the school of 2002 was 83,038 students. How many were freshmen? So we're going to say X is the freshman. Our equation is going to be the freshmen are 8,000 or 83,338 is the total. 15% over 100. You could simplify this if you want, but you don't necessarily need to. So you have 100x equals 15 times the 83,038, which is 124, not 44, 124, 5570. So, no. Oh, yeah, we're good there. So, divide by the 100. You get x equals you get 12,455.7, Bill. You can't have 0.7, so you're going to say that it's approximately 12,456 freshmen. Okay? All right, let's take a look at another example. All right, go ahead, copy down these words, and then read through them so we understand what the ratio, rate, and unit rates are. Okay? So go ahead and press pause and go ahead and read through these. All right, so it says a 5-quart can of oil costs $15.65. A 16-quart barrel of oil costs $88.50. Which is the better buy? Okay, so this is where you need the unit rate. So you go $15.65 divided by 5. So you get $3.13 per quart. And then this would be $88.50 divided by 16. So that one would be $5.53 per quart. So which one of those two is the better buy? Well, the 5-quart can. Okay. Now, two ratios set equal to each other. They are to take the form of fraction equals a fraction. This is known as a proportion. Okay? So, see how they have A over B equals C over D? So you know the two sides are equal to each other. You just need to solve them. So if we look at this example, we just cross multiply. 5x equals 66 divided by 5. X equals 66 over 5. Okay? If you want here, you could do 13.2 as well. Alright, let's go on to the next page. Alright, so here it says find the length of an unknown side. So let's use the proportion. So I look, which side is related to x on the other triangle? The 8. So I immediately set up x divided by 8. Now it's smaller triangle on the top, bigger triangle on the bottom. Equals 4 over 16. And I would do this. X over 8 equals 1/4. 8 equals 4x divided by 4. X equals 2 feet. So there we go. We'll see you guys in class.